Hi, welcome back to another Message Centre update with me, Mark Stokes. It's a flash update this time, a very short one, so I wonder if we even make a minute on this video. But we're going to be talking about Message Centre 239264. And this is going to basically bring in a new feature where SharePoint will support a lightbox for images. If you're not familiar with a lightbox, basically when you go onto a shopping website and you look at a product and you hover over it or click on it and it brings up a big image of a big copy of the image, that's the lightbox. So SharePoint is going to have this coming soon, so rather than clicking an image in a picture library and going to a full screen view of it, then it's going to bring this lightbox option in there. So when you hover over an image or click on an image, then you're going to easily see the larger version of that image. Rollout of this is going to begin mid-February, should be completed by early March. So by the time this video hits YouTube, then it's probably already rolled out. So hopefully your users are seeing this now. If you are managing it, then I would recommend go and send some communication out for users just so they know what changes are coming. That's it. That's all we've got. So I look forward to seeing you next time.